Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by granting microphone access and opening Google. This lets the browser capture audio. Once done, position your mic 6 to 12 inches away and speak clearly so speech recognition can detect phonemes accurately. Make sure you're on Chrome or the Google app because those support the microphone icon reliably and enable site-level permissions when prompted. If you see a blocked microphone icon, adjust settings now. This first step prevents failures later and speeds up recognition when you tap the mic icon. You tap the microphone icon to start listening and then speak your query naturally. Try short commands first, like weather or set timer 10 minutes, because concise phrases yield precise results. Once you finish speaking, pause for a second so Google can process and transcribe. This avoids cutoff errors. If you need punctuation or special formatting, say it out loud. Quote and period can help. Make sure background noise is low so the engine prioritizes your voice and returns accurate results quickly. You review results and refine with follow-up voice queries. Say show more or ask a clarifying question to narrow answers. Once done, tap results or use voice commands to open links. If the mic stops responding, make sure permissions remain enabled, restart the Google app or browser, and test the mic in another app to isolate the issue. A quick troubleshooting tip: toggle microphone permission off and on, then reboot the app. This often fixes permission glitches without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.